that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the nation at 6 p.m. today. We don't know what this is regarding, but this has been just called upon. The Prime Minister, in fact, tweeted about this by saying exactly this, that he will be talking and he has a message he wants to share with fellow citizens at 6 p.m. this evening. So, interesting and anticipation building up to what the Prime Minister will have to say this time around. But there's nothing else that he has actually said. He simply says that he will be sharing a message at this point, carefully chosen word it seems, with my fellow citizens at 6 p.m. this evening. Anticipations are going to be on what this is about. Could this be about COVID? Could this be about something else? Well, let's try and decipher that with my colleague Sanket joining us. Sanket, what could this be about?
Well, your guess is as good as mine, Sonal. It's as clear as that, because people usually, whether it is the Prime Minister's office or in the government, remain absolutely tight-lipped about what the contents of the Prime Minister's address is going to be, unless mentioned officially. If you recall that in the past, whenever the Prime Minister has mentioned, particularly about sending a message on COVID-19, it has specifically been mentioned that this is going to be his address on COVID. Or it's very easy to guess because it comes in the backdrop of, if you recall, in March and April, on a lockdown period or a phase ending. So it was easy to guess. This time around, of course, there are a whole host of things that seem to be happening around the world. What exactly is the Prime Minister going to speak about is going to be very interesting. From the surprise element that we have seen in these addresses of the Prime Minister, we have seen, and history has also shown us that many of these are totally issues which were not in the public discourse at all and were introduced in the public discourse by way of the Prime Minister. So, obviously, lots of speculation taking place. A lot of people guessing what this is going to be. Will it be about COVID-19? What our next strategy is going to be? Remember, we are approaching festive season. We are, in fact, already in the festive season. Diwali is around the corner. Cases are steadily going down. But then, obviously, all experts, all epidemiologists, each and every expert you speak to would tell you that this is no occasion to celebrate just because the numbers have gone down. Could this actually be a strategy to deal with COVID in the future? Remember, a lot of research work is going on as far as vaccine and vaccination is concerned. The Prime Minister has shared about 3 or 4 separate meetings on how the vaccine is going to be distributed. Remember, India is the world leader as far as production and capability of manufacturing a vaccine is concerned. So obviously, a lot of expectations are going to be raised. What exactly is the Prime Minister going to announce? Vaccine is one front where the whole world is looking at India. In fact, Sonal, the various statements that are released from the World Health Organization always end up saying that the way India handles COVID-19 and the way India handles its COVID-19 research is going to determine the future course of action for the world. So there is great significance attached to India and production of the vaccine. No other country has that sort of capability to produce at a mass scale. I was referring just a short while ago about the Prime Minister himself sharing many meetings on how the distribution is going to take place, what the mechanism is going to be. It's been widely reported in the newspapers, also in the media. Prime Minister is very, very seriously chairing these meetings and inquiring about how that is going to be done. Remember, not just for the 135 crore Indians, but also for the whole world. Because obviously when the vaccine is produced by either private vaccine candidates or by government-backed candidates, the distribution is going to be as big a challenge as the production. So all these are matters where, matters of great interest. That's what the Prime Minister could